Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Sci. In this one, I'm going to do the Geekbench Mark 5 test comparison between the Poco X3 Pro versus iQOO Z5 device. So using the monster mode and without using monster mode. So in the iQOO Z5, we do have the monster mode which is present in the top of the notification panel, as you can clearly see friends. And few users, they want to know, will it make any kind of difference in the Geekbench Mark 5 score comparison or not? So that's the reason I thought of comparing with the Snapdragon 860 versus Snapdragon 778G processor using the Geekbench Mark 5 application. So first, all the apps are completely clear from the background. There's no running applications, and right now let me try to disable the monster mode. There's no monster mode enabled at this moment, and let's start the test without wasting any time. Let's see what will be the benchmark score without using any monster mode. And second time I'm gonna use the monster mode, then we'll try to observe the difference, what is happening with using and without using. So right now, as you can see friends, we got the Geekbench Mark 5 test results, 799 in the single core and 3004 in the multi-core in the iQOO Z5 device. As you can see, this is the iQOO Z5 device. And Poco X3 Pro, you can clearly see friends what is happening with the scores, single core versus multi-core. And next time, let's use the monster mode. Let's see what happens using the monster mode, how much difference it's going to make between the two phones regarding the score, single core and the multi-core. Let me need to click at the same time. And definitely friends, the iQOO Z5 has got really very good scores. Single core and the multi-core is higher than the Poco X3 Pro at this point. Definitely we can see that. So I'm going to be back after once this Geekbench Mark 5 test results has been out, then I'll try to compare what is going on. So with using monster mode and without using monster mode, is there any difference or not? So right now, as you can see friends, the Geekbench Mark test for the second time also, the iQOO Z5 was able to score slightly higher than the Poco X3 Pro device in both times. So both times the iQOO Z5 was able to get the highest single core and the highest multi-core. You can see the multi-core difference is a lot. So 2956 versus 2628. You can see the difference how much it is, and single core performance you can see. So 800 versus 736 in terms of the single core performance, also really higher in the Poco X3 Pro device when compared with the iQOO Z5 device. You can clearly see friends. So iQOO Z5 is slightly higher when compared to the Poco X3 Pro, So that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick Geekbench Mark 5 test comparison, Snapdragon 860 versus Snapdragon 778G processor. So see you in the next video friends, and then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.